Upgrade your cycling experience with advanced tracking devices that deliver real-time performance data, helping riders monitor distance, pace, and efficiency on every journey. Ride smoothly. The best bicycle speedometer offers accurate tracking, speed insights, and reliable performance for every ride. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. COOSPO CS600 Bicycle Speedometer. The COOSPO CS600 Bicycle Speedometer is built for riders who want a modern, data-driven cycling experience without unnecessary complexity. Its 2.4-inch high-resolution color touchscreen immediately stands out, offering sharp visuals that remain readable in varying lighting conditions thanks to intelligent auto backlight adjustment. The touch response feels smooth and intuitive, making it easy to switch between metrics while riding without distraction. At the core of this device is its advanced GPS and GLNOS positioning system, which ensures fast signal acquisition and highly accurate ride tracking. Speed, distance, time, elevation, and route data are recorded with consistency, allowing cyclists to review performance in detail after each ride. This level of precision is particularly useful for training-focused riders who want reliable feedback to measure improvement over time. Navigation is another strong point of the CS600. Riders can upload routes or follow breadcrumb trails directly on the screen, which reduces the risk of getting lost on unfamiliar roads or trails. The mapping interface is clean and easy to interpret, helping maintain confidence during long-distance rides or new route exploration. Connectivity is seamless through the COOSPO Ride app, allowing automatic synchronization of ride data with platforms like Strava and Training Peaks. This makes performance tracking and sharing effortless. Number 2. CATEYE Odometer Bicycle Speedometer. The CATEYE Odometer Bicycle Speedometer focuses on simplicity, reliability, and distraction-free riding. It is designed for cyclists who prefer straightforward functionality over complex digital interfaces. The click-tech design is a standout feature, allowing riders to toggle between functions by pressing the base of the unit instead of navigating multiple buttons. This makes it extremely user-friendly while riding. One of its most practical features is automatic ride pause detection. When you stop at traffic lights or take a break, the device intelligently pauses timing and average speed calculations. This ensures more accurate ride data without requiring manual input, which is especially useful for urban commuters and casual riders. The wireless speed sensor operates with a stable 70-centimeter range and mounts on the front fork, delivering consistent speed readings. While it uses an analog system rather than GPS, it still provides dependable accuracy for everyday cycling needs. The setup is straightforward, making it accessible even for beginners. It is also built with specific compatibility in mind, working best with standard road, mountain, gravel, and commuter bikes. However, it is not intended for recumbents, trikes, or stationary bikes, which is important to note before purchase. Overall, the CATEYE Odometer Speedometer is ideal for riders who want essential cycling metrics without distractions. It prioritizes usability, durability, and simplicity, making it a solid choice for daily rides and fitness tracking without overwhelming features.
Number 3. XOSS G+ Waterproof Bicycle Speedometer. The XOSS G+ Waterproof Bicycle Speedometer is designed for performance-oriented cyclists who value data accuracy and connectivity. It supports a wide range of tracking features including speed, cadence, and heart rate when paired with external sensors. This makes it a versatile option for structured training and long-term performance analysis. One of its key strengths is its multi-satellite positioning system, which includes GPS, Beidou, and QZSS. This combination ensures fast signal acquisition and stable tracking even in challenging environments. Riders benefit from improved accuracy in speed and route recording, making it suitable for both road and off-road cycling. Connectivity is another highlight. Through Bluetooth integration, ride data can be synchronized with the XOSS app and further shared to Training Peaks for advanced analysis. This is especially valuable for cyclists who follow training programs and want detailed progress tracking over time. The device also supports ANT+ compatibility, allowing connection with additional sensors, such as power meters, heart rate monitors, and cadence sensors. While these accessories are optional, they significantly enhance the depth of performance data available. Its waterproof construction adds durability, ensuring reliable operation in different weather conditions. The display remains clear and functional, and switching between mile and kilometer units is easy through the app settings. Overall, the XOSS G Plus is a strong choice for cyclists who want an affordable yet highly capable speedometer with professional-level tracking features and broad sensor compatibility.
Number 4. Navihood Bluetooth Bicycle Speedometer. The Navihood L4 bicycle speedometer stands out for its ultra-light and ultra-thin design, measuring just 13.5 millimeters thick and weighing only 45 grams. This compact build makes it one of the most portable cycling computers available, ideal for riders who prefer minimal handlebar clutter without sacrificing functionality. Despite its small size, it delivers strong performance through accurate GPS positioning powered by multiple satellite systems. It provides fast cold start and near-instant warm start positioning, ensuring that ride tracking begins quickly and reliably. This responsiveness is particularly useful for frequent riders who value efficiency before every ride. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures dependable performance in rain and wet conditions, while the anti-glare display keeps data readable under direct sunlight. The auto backlight feature also enhances visibility during low light rides, improving usability across different environments. Customization is a key advantage of this model. Through the Navihood app, users can adjust up to 25 data types across 9 display pages. This flexibility allows riders to tailor the interface based on personal preferences, whether focusing on speed, distance, cadence, or other metrics. Connectivity through ANT+ and Bluetooth 5.0.
Number 5. ROCKBROS Odometer Bicycle Speedometer. The ROCKBROS Odometer Bicycle Speedometer is a feature-rich cycling computer designed for riders who want advanced tracking and navigation in a durable package. It integrates 4 satellite systems: GPS, GLONASS, BDS, and Galileo, ensuring fast and highly accurate positioning across different environments. This multi-system approach significantly improves route reliability and tracking precision. Its ability to sync with a smartphone via Bluetooth enhances its functionality by allowing ride data to be stored, reviewed, and shared through compatible apps. When paired with platforms like Strava, cyclists can easily monitor training progress and compare performance over time. The device also supports ANT+ sensor integration, enabling connection with heart rate monitors, cadence sensors, and power meters. This transforms it into a comprehensive training tool capable of capturing detailed cycling metrics for structured workouts and performance optimization. The 2.9-inch FSTN backlit display is designed for clarity in all lighting conditions. It automatically adjusts brightness based on sunrise and sunset data, ensuring readability whether riding during the day or at night. The tempered glass screen adds durability, reducing the risk of scratches during regular use. Overall, the ROCKBROS Odometer Speedometer is well-suited for serious cyclists who want advanced GPS tracking, sensor compatibility, and a clear display in a rugged and reliable device. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.